Welcome to Motoverse 2025, the main stage of Motoculture.
It's a parallel universe made of brothel, sweat, art, and pure rebellion.
एकदम मक्खन की तरह लगती है।
The very personification of the real biking hood, because this is one event we wait every year, 3 days, all about the biking, the community. But this time there were more than 26 countries which were represented, and they were moving around. They loved each and everything which is happening here.
This energy is what motivates us to make the best motorcycle in the world.
Thank you all, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you at Motoverse in 2026.